G'day from Air Tools WA. Ask us anything about air. This time we're looking at the AKKO AD531 half-inch air drill. The AKKO AD531 features a Jacobs heavy-duty half-inch chuck that's keyed for better grip for those larger drill bits. It also has an adjustable handle to suit any job, an alloy body with a fully caged steel gearbox for long life and strong torque. It also features an ergonomic grip with the exhaust air conveniently directed out of the base of the handle and a forward and reverse function located above the trigger for easy access. As you can see in this demonstration, the AKKO AD531 is a fantastic air drill, perfect for any drilling, honing, reaming or hole sawing job you can imagine. AKKO, dollar for dollar, unbeatable. For more information, please visit our website at airtoolswa.com.au. And as always, thanks for watching.